this video, I will show you how to transfer money from UBS bank to another bank account. So the first step, log in your account in UBS. To make a transfer, you have two options here, guys. So you will get transfer money in just 3 simple steps. First step, guys, payment order. You have a UBS account and send payment, and you can check guys your worldwide fee from here, from schedule fees. This is some fees. This is first step before you make a payment transfer, and then now you should be add your account debit to convert the order in currency into target currency. And then, guys, you should be add your beneficiary account to make a transfer. This is the first method. You should be logging your account and complete the steps of transfer. If you make a easy money movement with this method, you should be verify instant account verification. You should be have account verification. Log in your account on UBS. This is the first step, guys. Log in your account, choose your account login option from here. After that, when you click login, you will see banking services. Click this one at glance, and then click add external account. You see here add external account, and then select getting started. After that, review and knowledge term and condition, and then log in your account as I say. After that, look for transfer option from here. This is the same 5 steps. Look for transfer, and then navigate the management account and select external account, and then select get started. After that, guys, you can enter your details, bank you want to transfer, chat, bank account, or trusts, or PNC. All this you can transfer money, and then write your all details for your bank here and click start transfer, such your account number or something like this, and then you will be confirmed the steps. Just follow simple steps, guys, enter username and password, and then client authorizations. After that, click start transfer. These simple steps, guys. I am this guide here for you. Don't forget give like and share this